In this tutorial, you will learn to delete unused management items from the InCommand Go display. Deleting unused items keeps your display tidy, making importing display data into Agfinity or SMS seamless. Begin on the home screen of the InCommand Go display. Choose Setup. Navigate to the Product tab. Here, we have a corn planting product that was used to test when installing the system and is no longer used. Tap the product you're no longer using and choose the red minus. The display will remind you that all data logged for this product will be deleted. Reminder, when a product is removed, all regions using that product will also be removed. Tap the green check to continue. Repeat this process for any additional unused products in the display. Tap Management. Within the Grower, Farm, and Field tab, we can delete fields, farms, or growers that are no longer being farmed or combined with other fields. For this example, we are going to delete the East and West 40 fields under Grower Smith, as we now farm them together under the Home 80 field. Tap the farm, field, or grower you'd like to delete, then tap the red minus. Deleting the field will also delete all the data that is logged under that field. Tap the green check to confirm you'd like to delete this field. Repeat this process for any additional unused fields in the display. Navigate to the Seasons tab. We no longer need the data prior to the 2024 crop in the display, as we already have it archived in SMS and Agfinity. Tap 2022 crop, then tap the red minus. Reminder, deleting a season will delete all the as-applied data associated with that season. Tap the green check. Repeat this process for any additional unused seasons in the display. To clean up guidance lines, an event will need to be loaded to the mapping screen. Guidance lines can be managed with any operation type. Expand the tile. Choose Manage Patterns. This window will display all the guidance lines we have created. For this example, the last guidance line was created by accident and should be removed from the display, so the operator doesn't select it during the operation. Highlight the guidance line and choose Remove. Repeat this process for any additional unused guidance lines in the display. Now, you will be able to delete unused management items from the InCommand Go display. For more information on setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.